Hello food lovers, let's explore the world of spice. Asia and Africa are famous for their spicy food. Get ready for a tasty adventure. We will learn about hot dishes, we will see how spices make food delicious. Are you ready? Let's go. Spicy food is exciting. It wakes up your taste buds. It makes you feel alive. Come and explore the world of chilies and peppers. Let's discover new flavors together. Asia is a land of many flavors. Some dishes are mild, others are very spicy. Let's look at two famous dishes. Thai green curry is a popular dish. It's made with green chilies and coconut milk. It's spicy and creamy. Sichuan Hot Pot is another favorite. It's a boiling pot of spicy broth. You cook meat and vegetables in it. Africa also has amazing spicy food. Peri Peri chicken is a must-try. It's made with African bird's eye chili. It's very hot. Harisa stew is another classic. It's a flavorful tomato stew. It's made with harisa paste, a blend of spices and chilies. Spicy food is part of life in Africa. People gather to share meals. They enjoy the delicious flavors together. Did you know spices are healthy? Chili peppers can boost your metabolism. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Spices are good for your body and soul. They bring people together. They add excitement to our meals. Let's try cooking with more spices. You can find many recipes online. Experiment with flavors from Asia and Africa. Share your spicy creations with friends and family. Enjoy the delicious journey.